Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we are doing a Boxycharm base unboxing. So excited. I've seen the spoilers. I really hope I got the Natasha Denona palette. And I'm warning you now, I'm going to be quite sad if I did not. But if you don't know what Boxy is, it is a beauty subscription box every month. And it costs me about $50 to get it here in Canada. And it costs $35 in the States, and it is usually about $200 worth of products, and I think it's usually 5 products in the base. Don't quote me, I will leave a link for you below. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Cute Boxycharm. I love getting these every month, and I recently started getting the premium too, so that I should be getting within the next couple days, hopefully. But yeah, let's dive in because I'm super excited. Please be in here. Well, this is the first item I see. And we do have a card that says all the products. Oh. Which I just looked at and I didn't get it. Awesome. Anyway, oh, cool. We get 25% off site-wide. I didn't get the palette, so now I gotta go on and order it. Hopefully it's still available on the Boxy add-on site because it's an exclusive palette to the site, so I'm sorry if this video is bummer, but now I'm sad. But I did get Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray with green and white tea extract. Protects against free radicals, leaves skin revitalized, improves skin's barrier. I'm thinking it's a toner. Yes, it's a toner. And actually sounds really good because I am broken out like crazy right now. So that's my first item. Next item I see, I got a whole lot of skincare this month. This was a horrible box this month, guys. So this is the item that I got to choose for this month's box, and it's the Jouer, J-O-U-R, Essential Lip Enhancer, Conditioning Lip Treatment. Ooh, that does sound good. I think that's why I chose it, because it sounded good. And, oh, I guess I could show you just a little tube. I'm kind of sad now. I was super excited about this. I have lip stain on, so oh, it's a little frozen. It's been outside. I'm just going to use my finger to put it on. I was kind of worried it was going to be like a plumper. And it's not a plumping one. It does feel nice though. So that's cool. That's the item I chose. I'm glad I chose that one. One sec. And then I got 111 Skin, which I do like. I like their products. But it's another skincare product. It's the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. Ultra hydrating concentrate. Provides an instant moisturization boost to quench and replenish dry and dehydrated skin. Shake before use. Okay, that's cool. Oh, just another dropper one. I've tried a few of these products from 111 Skin now, and I like them. I'm just really disappointed that I didn't get the Natasha Denona one, but what do you do, right? So I'll just go in and order it, but this is this product. The next product is also another skincare product, and it is the YENSA Pumpkin Turmeric Radiance Polishing Mask. I have a small size. I don't want to open it really, but I'll show you the bottle. I used it once. It's okay. People rave about it. I don't know. I didn't really see much of a difference. And then I got a product that was also in last month's box, but that I didn't get. And it is the Bodyography. I don't know how you say it. 2-pack. Oh, this one's, yeah, the eye pencil. Let's see what colors it come in. What do we got? We got a brown. It looks like a brown. Oh, no, this one's called Black Walnut. Oh, it's like, guys, it's just a dark brown. Dark brown pencil. And if the other one would come out, I'm assuming this one's just black. Yeah, Onyx, which is normally just black. These ones feel really rough. Like it literally looks like a pencil crayon, you guys. It's black. Black and brown. So, did I enjoy this month's box? Nope, not at all. I'm actually really, really disappointed. But this is worth $135. The Dr. Brandt is worth $140. This one's worth, the Jouer Lips Enhancer is worth $17. YENSA, I guess, is worth $45. It's an expensive product. And then the Bodyography eye pencils were worth $16. So just give me 2 seconds and I will add this up and let you know what the value of my box was. So $253 worth of products this month. It's good. Like, it's still a good box. I'm just disappointed because I really wanted the Natasha Denona. But hopefully it's still on the Boxycharm Black Friday thing and I can just order it from there. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.